Welcome back. Now news from sports. Goa Football Associations' proposal of having a joint league or amalgamation of their underage football tournaments with those of Directorate of Sports is simply impossible to accept for DSY. A massive 1,070 school teams will participate in football tournaments organized by the DSYA for this academic year. Director of Sports V.M. Prabhudesai told Prudent GFA will be assisted by the department, but no existing age group tournament can be disturbed to meet GFA's proposal simply because of the sheer nature and the volume.
The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs is the mother of school-level sports in the state. V.M. Prabhudesai, who recently took charge of DSYA, told Prudent GFA's proposal is not feasible to execute.
We feel that the possibility is very remote. Looking at the figure, the number of teams that are participating in our program, to be very clear about it, we have three types of tournaments: the Subroto Cup, under 14 and under 17 tournaments, and the inter-school under 14 and under 17 tournaments, and the third tournament is the under 19 boys and girls tournament, mainly for the higher secondary schools. And I have some phenomenal figures for you. Put together, there are 443 teams for North Goa. As far as South Goa is concerned, so North Goa and South Goa put together, they come to 1,070 teams. North Goa has 443 teams taking part in various football tournaments. I'm talking only about football and not any other discipline. And South Goa, there will be 627 teams. So put together, there are 1,070 teams taking part in three different tournaments. Now, it's not practical to have any league for these teams. One side, we want to encourage number of schools to take part in games and sports, and mainly in football. After the state government has declared football as the state sport, our endeavor would be to encourage more and more schools. We have exhorted our officers, our taluka sports organizers, the assistant physical education officers who are our taluka officers, to go to schools and motivate their PE teachers, the head of the school, to see that this year we get more and more entries for mainly football sport. GFA may, as I said in the gender body the other day, the GFA may reduce the number of teams while they organize their league. There could be a league organized by GFA in which GFA may say that the sports department would help them to identify or restrict the number to, say, 20 or 30 or 40 best teams in a particular age group. Say under 14 GFA tournament could be restricted to 40 best teams in Goa, spread over all the 12 talukas, and they may then think about organizing the league, and whatever assistance the department could give, we will be too willing to extend any support to them.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Turshidas Chari for Prudent Media.
Goa Engineering College held their nerve to win the varsity chess title. Goa Medical College were on course to topple the defending champions but made a mess of medals in the final round and ended up out of the top 5 as well. PCCA came in second, whereas Salgaonkar finished third in the standings. The chess tournament was organized by the Goa University at the Open Hall in Taligarh.
On the final day, Goa Engineering College were on course with 10 points before the final round commenced. Several colleges were tied on 8 points for the second and third positions. GMC, who were up against defending champions GEC in the final 6th round, had them well in sights till the 4th match. But an error meant GMC lost their upper hand and the round to GEC to finish much below the top 5. The Farmagudy-based college came from behind against odds and won the team championship with 12 points. PCC Verna came in second with 10 points. Salgaonkar College of Law and Chaugule College Margaon were tied on 9 points for third place, but a better match point score swung matter in favour of Salgaonkar College, who won the third place.
Because chess is such a game where we need to give you space to think for yourself and enjoy the game. So with these few words of welcome, we move on to the prize distribution function.
The results for what you are waiting for now. Father Agner 10, Don Bosco Engineering 9, Dempe 8, GMC 7, Government College Tepe 6, Damodar College 5th, Chowgule 4th. Get your hands together, boys.
Sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with the video journalist Devendra Gaonkar.
If you've missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at PrudentGoa. Or you can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/PrudentMedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.